Hi, I'm John. I work on social media for the hardware business at Google. Google Hardware includes our Pixel smartphone business and our Nest smart home business. We run social media channels for the set of different product lines, talking about the latest innovation in smartphone or smart home technology. The job for social media within Google's hardware business is to manage the strategy, how we relate to our customers and potential fans on social media. Data is certainly helpful in all of social media marketing. You want to make sure that what you're doing is worthwhile. I would think of social media analytics in two different ways. There's one, reporting, and the second would be social listening. And so on the reporting side, is it getting good engagement? Are we getting likes? Are we getting comments? Are we getting shares or other types of engagements? It's very important for any social media professional to know my post has resonated. On the social listening side, is there an interesting opportunity where we can jump in? Before engaging in a campaign or a new project, we take a look at social media conversation just to see what's out there. We want to make sure that as a brand or as a company, we're going to be additive to a conversation. We don't just want to repeat what other folks are sharing out there. Common sense and having a gut feeling is essential in social media marketing. You need to understand what your brand stands for. You need to generally understand your audience. At the end of the day, if we see a post take off or create a conversation, it means that it was meaningful in some way, that we weren't just adding noise, that we were reaching people to talk about something that they actually cared about and are interested in participating in. And so if you're looking to start out, the most important thing you can do is actually use social media. Social media is open to all. That's one of the most beautiful things about it. If you are advocating for a business or want to be trained up in a business, go and create an account, go and use that account. The greatest thing about social media is that you can post, you can also just pay attention. You can read it. You can see how different audiences engage. And so if you're looking to start out, the most important thing you can do is actually use social media.